In this video, you will learn how to properly wire the myosmart control unit with a transradial prosthesis and a coaxial plug. When connecting the coaxial plug, do not use the 2-pin cable of the control unit. Secure the cable in the socket with adhesive tape. The remaining 2-pole cable is from the power supply. Position the coaxial plug so that the 2-pin contact is at the top. Next, apply silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the dot, and plug it into the left contact. Then, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the right contact. Plug the 2-pin cable of the power supply into the 2-pin contact at the top. Secure the cables to the coaxial plug using the white plastic screw. Finally, use the lock ring 11S4 to secure the coaxial plug in the lamination ring.